Hi guys, it's Shannon here. Today I'm coming to you guys with another hair tutorial. If you guys watch my videos regularly, then I'm sure you saw when I did this style here, because I still receive messages about it on Instagram and on here, of course. It was a very cute and quick style, and I noticed after styling my hair that I literally made a ponytail style, aka a quick style. So I held on to it, and anytime that I'm in a hurry, I can just wrap it around there, take those two strips, wrap them around, and I have a hairstyle. So of course, with that in mind, I decided to take it to another level, and we're going to be doing braids. We're going to do a braid and we're going to do a twist as well, because I'm going to hold on to this. This is a quick style. I'm not even sure that it's 5 minutes, unless it takes 5 minutes for you to slick your hair back into a sleek bun or up into a sleek bun. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into this video. So you can use Kanekalon hair or Kankalon, however you pronounce it. Or you can use this Marley hair or any other type of braiding hair that you would like, but I will be using Marley hair. I have 12 strands here because 12 is the magic number. I'm gonna do what I always do. Just like that. Take one end, take it through, and pull it. For anyone that's wondering where I get my ponytail ties, these are actually from the dollar store. I have some that are goodie and the others, I think they were some off-brand. I'm really not sure, but these are really tight, so I like them. It's like one wrap around and my hair is secure when doing these type of styles. So yeah, when styling, of course, you guys know that I'll go ahead and style it and then I'll take it off. I think that will make it a lot easier on you guys when you're making yours. So I'm going to take a bobby pin and I'm going to pin that in place. I use 2 pins, one on each side, and that's just to make sure that it does not move. So there it is, it's at the root. We're going to pull out 2 pieces, 3 pieces, however many you feel you need on each side. I'm going to pull out two on each side since I'm doing a braid. And guys, I'm sure these last like forever, so it's just a really fun style to have. You know, for those days when you're running out of the house, you really can't go wrong with a ponytail style at any point in time. Almost like when we used to use the those pin-on ponytails. And I will braid this all the way to the end, just as I always do. Just about. Turning the wrong way, sorry. And once I get down here, I'm going to leave this loose. Now I'm going to add a rubber band. So now that we have our perfect braid, we're going to take these 2 pieces. First, you want to make sure that you hide your bun inside of there. The ponytail that I had showing, yeah. Now I'm going to start wrapping. And now I'm going to take the hair from the opposite side and wrap that around as well. And now we have a braid. So now that we're at this point, it's time to take it down. take that off. And now we have our braid with our pieces. So anytime that we want to wear this style, you know how to put it back on, right? Simple. I'm telling you guys, this is like the easiest style ever. Like even going back to this. If I wanted to wear this, this is all I would have to do. Literally. You don't even have to add the pins if you don't want to. It's all up to you. But of course it will help it to stay in place. I normally would wrap one in one direction, wrap the other in the other direction, but it's all up to you and what you want to do. I just want to show that this is a quick style. And once again, we have this style that you guys loved. Did you see how long it took me to add that? I'm telling you, these are quick styles. This is going to be a lifesaver. You guys definitely have to get on it. And you don't have to use Marley hair, as I said once before. You can use your Connect-A-Lawn hair or whatever hair you choose. I just want to make things a lot easier on you ladies and on myself as well. You know, I just want to share anything that I run across because I'm not someone who likes to do her hair all the time, you know. So if I discover anything, I'm definitely going to share it with you guys. Because 12 is the magic number. I have 12 pieces. For whatever reason, this hair feels like it's a bit thicker than the hair that I used previously, but we're gonna see how it turns out. Wrap that around. Go ahead and pin it. If you need more than 2 bobby pins, go with it. You don't have to do everything just as I do. If you feel like you need your hair to be a bit more secure, go for it. And I told you guys that you could actually pull some pieces out and wear a ponytail as well. If that's something that you want to do, just wrap the hair around. I just don't really care for the ponytail. Why? Because the hair is so raggedy at the end. Maybe if I had like a fresh pack of a Marley hair, then I might, but yeah, it's a little rugged. I don't know. So I'm just kind of like, yeah, it's cute though. Okay, so I have my 2 pieces. I'm gonna start twisting now. And when I do my twist, because I've done this already, I know that the twist will come loose really easily. So when you do the twist, you want to kind of turn each one. If you know how to do Senegalese twist, you know that you don't just twist the actual twist, but you twist each strand. It's kind of like twist, turn. It's almost like, how do I describe it? Motorcycle. But you're doing it on both sides, okay? In the direction that you're going. Horrible description. Here. 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 Okay, this one with my right arm, I'm going down. Crossover. My left one is going up, my right one is going down, if that makes any sense. My right is going to the right, my left is going to the left. Oh my gosh, I hope you guys get it. If you've ever done Senegalese twists, I apologize. I just don't know how to describe it at all. I know how to do them though. Okay. So yeah, it's pretty much in the wrist or the fingers, in all honesty. So yeah, when I start getting down here with my twist, I want to braid that. I don't want it to come loose. And then I'm going to add another rubber band. I'm going to put my ponytail inside of that twist first and foremost. Make sure that I'm hiding that baby inside of there pretty well. And if you have to, you can like bobby pin it inside of your bun. Bobby pin your bun inside of the hair if you need to. All you have to do is really go up underneath where the bun is, hide it inside, pull some of that hair, and then add a pin there underneath. So pretty much like close it up inside of the area. So now I'm going to wrap that hair around. And guys, there's our twist. You guys already know that it's long, so I don't have to tell you that again. But it's very cute. I can do a spin for you. And guys, that pretty much wraps this up. Very quick, huh? So when I take this down, of course, I will have not 2, but 3 quick styles. And as you can see, it takes less than 5 minutes to actually style. I'll give it, was it even a minute? It wasn't even a minute whenever I put this on. Like, you can't beat that. The most time you'll take is preparing them. And I think that everyone should have this one, and a twist, of course. A twist and a braid anyway. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I do want to start something on my Instagram channel. I do want to start something on my Instagram page where you guys send me photos of you trying out these styles, and I want to add them to my highlights on Instagram so that everyone can see them, because I love receiving pictures. So if you guys do that, you can send them to me at Channing Lilly on Instagram. I'm trying to start posting more on Instagram and try to be more engaged, talk to you guys. So don't be afraid to say hi. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you're not a subscriber, please make sure that you subscribe so you do not miss out. Also click that bell so you can be notified anytime that I do post, and give me a big old thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, because it really helps me out. Thank you once again, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.